I got a bird in this tree. I'm focused. And I had two doves right above me. Couldn't get shot through next to the wall. I got a bird right in that bush. Can y'all see that bush? Yeah, that bush. You see it. I'm gonna see if I can't get this bald eagle on camera for you. There's a bunch of birds up there. Shit flying around up there. Guys, look. Look up there. Look up there. You'll see him flying around. Unless he already left. Right here, I'm coming over the house. Right there he goes. Get a hink at my tripod for y'all. Yeah, they're flying around up there. Over there, flying around. And that bush right there. I might need y'all right up that way. I also got. There we go, Josh. You see that thing back up. And then I also got to fly around. And then bushes right there. Take y'all this way. See if we can't get one. bird. That's a shot. I hit them all over there, right there. And then there's a brown one, a little bitty brown one on the ground. I could barely get a shot off of it, and I saw it, and I missed it. I had 2 black ones in a tree, and I was waiting for one to fly out. One flew off and put on the gun. Another one flew down in the same spot. I wanted it to move a little bit more where I could get shot off. I didn't have him. So, and I was wanting to move, and it flew off, and they all were going over there at this bush. The one I showed you earlier. They're going over there. There's a rabbit over here hanging out. There's a rabbit down there. My bow should target him. Shooting target from my bow. And it's not, I see him right now. But it sounds like there's a rabbit over here running around. But there's a bunch of birds in this bush. One just flew off right there. I'm gonna take my shirt, hold on. I guess I'll be adding this video in. I'm out here bird hunting. I'm out here bird hunting. And got birds flying around too. Messed one over there, you'll see in the other video. The first video, which right here will be a second part. I guess I'll put this as a second part. But we're gonna go over so we can't find one. Oh, don't kick it. We'll go over and see if we can't find one. This part right here, I'm just gonna add this part out and I'll add you back whenever I get set up again. Looks like that is right there. You really can't see all of it, can you? So we can just start dropping it. You can see all it now. I'll have to bend y'all down a little bit more. They flew in this tree down here. On that dove. They flew in this tree down here. And that's my bedroom. It's in my bedroom, so I'm gonna go try to kill him. Probably flew in that tree. Sometimes same doves I've seen out here. That one that flew this way. Fuck. There he goes. Oh, never mind. He flew out in the morning, that tree right there, I get it. But no, I ain't going to touch him. Get him, he's going to cross the damn road. Yeah, man, there's a bird out there. Flew up next to me, and I ain't giving much to him. I said, what's this dude? I'm getting this damn dove. But nope, that didn't go out. If I'd have been ready, I'd put a shot at him right there. I moved over, tried to find him. Sure enough, he was right there. I watched about 10 birds fly over here, and I only seen 2. Not one dove, I didn't know they flew over here. But there's 2 behind the back and one right there. You think I'd stick out there, but once you get in that, there's a little path that goes behind it. Once you get in it opens up. You can see out there, just right, you just can't see the entrance right here, the very end. And then back right there's what the bird did, and back what's open at, so they know that they can't see it this way. Oh, put my safety back on now. I want to get a GoPro soon, but I don't know. Yeah, that's a fucking rabbit. It's dead. Could be just a leaf. Oh yeah, it does look like a leaf, kind of. It does look like a rabbit. Find it. I can't fucking see. Can y'all see up there? See, but you got my up there. See if you can see the tree up. Here. Back there where I first started, where you see the first video. There's a bird in that one of them trees. And I went over there and he flew over behind this stuff for a while. Y'all were just watching. That stuff right there. He flew over behind that stuff. Not this first, but that tree behind it was not. That tree right there was thick. I'm gonna face you this way. There's a bird over there. Make sure y'all can see that. Yeah, you see that over. Another mess. I shot through a lot of shit. Bird right here, bird right here. Bird right there. Got it. Got it. Headshot too. Not headshot, neck shot. There's a big one. Well, as soon as I set the camera up and walked over there, couldn't shoot him. I'll get a better shot. There's a big one. The sun was blocking me, so I couldn't see where he landed. I know he landed in this other tree. Not this one right here. There's another one behind it, like that. I know he landed in that type of tree. So I heard my butt over there gonna try to get him. And as soon as I got where I could see him, I was looking around, couldn't see him. Cause I thought I knew where he landed, kinda, in that area. But I did, but I didn't. And by the time, right when I looked down, looking at a different area, he was right there. And he flew off, went to this tree. And I think he flew down here and went to somewhere down there. Yeah, one bird down, one dude, and I wanted that duck, I was gonna eat it. I ain't eating that. Chuck. I just that's my first too. Well, I want to go down there now. Okay, I want to go down there now. Look, there's right that way. And it's down there. Black cat, get the hell out of here. I'll show you that black cat. They're everywhere though. I think I had to have one. I think it is. Let me look at this scope. It could just be a leaf, but it looks like a bird. I'll let y'all know. It looks like one, but I'm not sure. Also looks like a leaf. There's a bird on back here. Playing on like that damn weeds. These weeds. I'm not hearing the cedar. I'm not hearing the damn cedar. I'm not hearing the cedar tree. Got people up here. There's one in this damn pine tree. I would take a shot at if they're out. That's a no shot for me if they're outside. It's hard to explain, but he's right. Look at the tree right there. Well, no, it looks like he's over here. I think I saw him over here. No, he's still over there. Big bird, big bird, big bird. Big bird. Can y'all see that limb? Let me see here. He's on that small limb. Somebody give me a shot. When I was down the other day, there's a bunch of little birds all over the place. It's actually kind of warm today, which is surprising. It's so surprising me. It's so surprised. He's over there next to that tree right there. Damn cat right here needs to get the hell out of here. Hi, buddy. Oh, let's see here. I'll see him. I see him scrubbing down that leg. A limb for me. Yeah, he's very short. Missed. He flew up right in the. He flew right. Oh shit, bird. Squirrel. Right here. Fuck. I'm going out. Bye, y'all. You can cross me that fork, killed that one bird. That squirrel was. If y'all can see behind me, he's in that tree right there. Right there, he was in that tree right there. And now he's up there somewhere, barking. Got these woods do. They go through right here, as you can see. If you look closer, they go through right there. And they cut up right here on the hill. You can kind of see it. He's in that tree right there. And the woods cut up a hill. And he's up there barking. So I'm getting the hell out of here. And I can't follow home. So I'm going to call this. I'm going to do some damn squirrel bark and see if I can't get him coming.